Abby. And
I'm Kaitlynn.
And we're going to tell you today about biofeedback and the differences between conventional and non-conventional medicine choices. Wait, go back. Okay. Now we're going to talk about conventional and non-conventional medicine choices. Most people, when they think about medicine, they think about like taking a pill or going to the doctor and getting a shot, or maybe, I don't know, nicotine or something like that. But a better form of medicine that has absolutely no side effects would be the natural forms, like eating healthy or getting more sunlight or meditating or biofeedback. Okay, and then a couple of differences between conventional and non-conventional medicine would be that like conventional medicine is something that you have to get from somebody else, and it's something that you have to go out of your way to find the right prescription. And then something that is alternative is like an ultimate form of energy that comes from nature, comes from, I don't know, something inside of yourself. And biofeedback is a way that you can train your brain to make your lifestyle a lot more healthy. This is actually something that costs a little bit of money. It's something that you have to go out and have sessions. You have a couple of sensors attached to your body, and they test to see like where your stress points are, and depending on what you're going to get biofeedback on, differentiates which kind of biofeedback you get.
So we're going to talk about 3 different kinds of biofeedback. The first one is called electromyography, and it measures muscle tension and activity, and it hooks sensors up to your arm and sometimes your fingertips to measure it. And it can be used to help retrain muscles after injury, for migraines, to help with chronic back pain, and incontinence. The second one is thermal feedback, and it measures your skin temperature. And this one's actually very beneficial in treating Raynaud's disease, which it can happen in your fingers, your toes, your nose, your ears, and it's just like lack of blood flow, and it can turn your fingers white, blue, and red if the blood returns back. And biofeedback has actually had an 89 to 90% effect of reducing symptoms for these patients. And the last one's neurofeedback, and it measures your brain waves, and it hooks sensors up to your mind to measure the brain waves. And it is used to help with like epilepsy, seizure disorders, and ADHD. It's used a lot in children to like help them learn how to concentrate, like this boy's doing on the computer right now. And this is just kind of like the process, is it measures your signals, and then it'll display it on a screen. And this is an example of like what like an adult might see on their screen, is how this is your heart rate. When you're angry, it's up higher, and your goal is to try and get it down to what looks like the relaxation. And seeing it visually just kind of helps you learn how to do that, and your therapist will teach you relaxation techniques to help you get like that, like deep breathing and meditation. And something really cool about this is the technology that's involved. I was actually researching it, and I was watching a video about like using your phone. Like there's apps out there that you can download. Some of them are free and some of them cost money. And one of them was you just put your finger over the flash, and it can like get your heart rate and your blood pressure and stuff to let you know if you need to try and get it down or higher. So it's just kind of cool how it's like newer, and it's like easier to work with all this technology. And this is what one of the apps will give you. It's called PIP, and it's just like gives you like different events. And you have to do it for a while to actually get it to work, though. It's not like a one-time deal. It can take up to like 20 to 40 sessions to even see things happen, but once you do, you get better at it. And this video isn't in English, but I thought it explained it better than some of the other videos.
Hausaufgaben machen für Marcel aus Dietzenbach. Statt zu schreiben, ist der 11-Jährige mit den Gedanken woanders, guckt aus dem Fenster, spielt mit seinen Stiften und er wird schnell aggressiv. Marcel leidet am sogenannten Aufmerksamkeitsdefizitsyndrom, kurz ADS.
Ja, ich ärgere mich auch immer selber in den Kopf halt, weil wenn ich dann meine Wut an mir sozusagen selbst auslasse, ist es ziemlich schwer für mich, weil ich hatte auch schon mal ziemlich krasse Bauchschmerzen deswegen.
Marcel leidet und seine Familie mit ihm, denn der 11-Jährige schlägt schnell zu, hat sich nicht unter Kontrolle. Und obwohl er überdurchschnittlich intelligent ist, sind seine Leistungen in der Schule schlecht.
Das Problem ist, dass er einfach nicht bei der Sache bleiben kann. Er lässt sich von allem ablenken. Wenn er in seinem Zimmer Hausaufgaben macht, dann lässt er sich von seinen Spielsachen ablenken. Wenn irgendwo das Radio läuft, das lenkt ihn ab. Wenn sein Bruder im anderen Zimmer was macht, das lenkt ihn ab. Also alles, was irgendwie in der Umgebung läuft, das lenkt ihn total ab.
Seit einigen Monaten macht Marcel deshalb eine ganz besondere Therapie. Bei Psychologe Timo Richter lernt er das sogenannte Neurofeedback. Über Elektroden an seinem Kopf steuert er ein kleines Computerspiel. Wenn der Pfeil nach oben zeigt, muss Marcel sich konzentrieren. Schafft er das, flattert der Schmetterling nach oben. Zeigt der Pfeil nach unten, soll Marcel sich entspannen und der Schmetterling fliegt unter dem Pfeil her.
Wenn ich mich konzentriere, dann rechne ich oder überlege, was ich in der Schule mache. Und wenn ich mich entspanne, überlege ich eigentlich fast nie über irgendwas. Denke ich eigentlich nichts.
Marcel steuert den Computer ohne Maus, ohne Tastatur, nur durch seine Gehirnaktivität. Denn wenn er sich konzentriert, entstehen schnelle Gehirnwellen. Die erfasst der Computer und meldet ihm, was sein Gehirn gerade macht. Dadurch lernt der 11-Jährige, sich zu konzentrieren.
Also wenn ein Kind, das Schwierigkeiten hat, sich zu konzentrieren, es schafft am Gerät, also durch Elektroden verbunden, sich zu konzentrieren, dann meldet das Gerät es positiv zurück. Und durch die immer wiederholende positive Verstärkung führen wir das Kind dahin, dass es durch Belohnung und ein erfolgreiches Trainieren immer schneller diesen Zustand der Konzentration hervorrufen kann.
Einmal pro Woche spielt Marcel in der Praxis am Computer. Die Kosten von knapp 80 € pro Sitzung zahlt seine Krankenkasse. Das Neurofeedback-Verfahren wird in ähnlicher Form auch bei Migräne, Tinnitus und Epilepsie angewendet. Immer dann, wenn die Aktivierung des Gehirns eine Rolle spielt. Kindern mit ADHS kann es helfen, den Medikamentenverbrauch zu reduzieren.
Also die Hoffnung ist natürlich,
And so that just kind of helped explain like the process to be able to see it. And the main goal of biofeedback is eventually after doing this, you won't need to go to the sessions to do it. You'll be able to do it on your own.
Something that was unique that we found about biofeedback was that it was a more modern form of non-conventional medicine. And like it used technology and it used a lot of things that we're learning about today, like neurons and